Hey there, Liz here with Eco Urban Gardens. I want to wish everyone a happy holidays and I hope you have a fun New Year's celebration. I want to thank all of our community partners, students, and volunteers who worked so hard throughout our spring, summer, and fall semester this year. And we are really excited about all our upcoming projects in 2023. But before we move on to the new year, let's take a moment to reflect all of the awesome things we accomplished in 2022.
ATS at AHS Farm Lab, harvesting seeds, pressing flowers at the farm lab, lanterns for Lunar New Year at Rosemead High School, ATS planting at the AHS Farm Lab, building vermicompost at all of our farm lab gardens, painting at La Madera Community Garden, tasting all kinds of food we've grown in our gardens at all our locations, La Madera volunteer work days, partnership with Active SGV teaching CalFresh nutrition, the very first Farm to School conference in Denver where we learned so much, volunteer day with Breathe Southern California at Rosemead High School doing bioswales and greenhouses, pizza making in our outdoor oven at La Madera Community Garden, Arts in Action Mock Farmers Market in East LA. Big thanks to City of Hope for funding our volunteer corps this year. Highlights from our summer fundraising campaign and painting workshop. New beds installed at Griffith Steam Magnet Middle School. New beds installed at Whittier High School. Lots of harvest from La Madera Garden this year. Awesome community event with Getty 25 and El Monte over the summer making California native seed balls. Our favorite community partner, Cyber Yogurt, helping with the compost. New beds at Rosemead High School Best of Times Garden. Composting event with Ocean View Elementary in Whittier. Lots of volunteering with Breathe Southern California and Climate Sense. Events all over Los Angeles. Building ofrendas at La Madera Community Garden and at our other school sites. Pumpkin carving for Dia de los Muertos. Building a new greenhouse at La Madera Garden. And finally, our tree planting day at Griffith Steam Magnet Middle School.